Create this cool scrolling animation in Figma. We have our frame where we're going to paste this carousel, and we have our images right here. Now let's select all the images and let's add them to the frame. Let's say scroll. Cool. Now let's go right here and tick this box, clip content, and let's hold Ctrl and or Command, and let's drag it to the left to decrease the container size. So now if we're gonna go right here, we're gonna see that it fits perfectly in the container. Great. What we wanna do next is go and create an ellipse, and we're gonna create an ellipse that has the size of our frame, which is 1440, right? And the height of it, we want it to be around 155. Now we're gonna select this ellipse and we're gonna inspect the background color. What we want to do next is drag this ellipse and put it above. Here we go. That's great. Let's make sure we align it properly on the edges. Now let's hold Alt or Option and let's drag it on the bottom right here, like so. Amazing. Now it's exactly how we want it to be. What we're gonna do next is go right here in our frame. We're gonna go to Prototype tab and gonna say Scroll with Parent, and gonna say Horizontal, okay, Overflow. Now if we go to preview it, we're gonna see, okay, so you see the scrolls with the ellipse. This is not what we want, okay? What we wanna do is make sure that the ellipse does not belong in the same frame of the scrolling elements, okay? So this one right here, we're gonna put it up like that. Now let's preview it again. Let's hit R and it will reset. Now if we scroll, we can see that it's working perfectly